हेलो मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने YouTube चैनल सोनीज ट्यूटोरियल क्लासेस पर। ऑक्सफोर्ड करंट इंग्लिश ग्रामर के वॉइस का एक्सरसाइज 61 हम लोग सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। पहला सेंटेंस है दे आर टू प्ले द मैच टुडे। द मैच इज टू बी प्लेड टुडे। द मैच इज टू बी प्लेड टुडे। दूसरा है माई सिस्टर इज टू बाय ए कार। ए कार is to be bought by my sister. By my sister. Third है she is to teach me. I am to be taught by her. Fourth है हमारा क्वेश्चन they are to sell their houses. Their houses are to be sold. Fifth है someone is to help those orphans. Those orphans are to be helped. Sixth, he was to buy my books. My books were to be bought by him. Seventh, I was to help those poor boys. Those poor boys are to be helped by me. Eighth, they were to paint the house. अच्छा, आर नहीं होगा यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में क्योंकि वॉज था, पास्ट था, तो इसलिए वर का यूज करेंगे। Eighth, they were to paint the house. The house was to be painted. Next, ninth, I have to do this work. This work has to be done by me. 10th, they have to confess their guilt. Their guilt has to be confessed. ठीक है। 11th, I have to blame no one. No one has to be blamed by me. No one has to be blamed by me. 12th, she is to guide me. I am to be guided by her. 13th, we have to serve our country. Our country has to be served. 14th, the principal has to distribute prizes among the winners. Prizes have to be distributed among the winners. 15th, our team is sure to win the match. The match is sure to be won by our team. 16th, they had to deliver the letters in time. The letters had to be delivered in time. 17th, they had to examine the patients. The patients had to be examined by them लगाएं तो भी सही, न लगाएं तो भी सही। 18th, she had to purchase a new house. A new house had to be purchased. Question number 19, there is no time to lose, तो हो जाएगा there is no time to be lost. There is no time to be lost. 20th, there is a lot of work to do. There is a lot of work to be done. To be done. 21st, there is nothing to laugh at. There is nothing to be laughed at. Nothing to be laughed at. 22nd, I have no money to spend in this scheme. I have no money to be spent in this scheme. Question number 23rd, it is time to accept the challenge. It is time for the challenge to be accepted. 24th, it was time to defeat the enemies. It was time for the enemies to be defeated. 25th, it is time to pay the electric bill. It is time for the electric bill to be paid. 26th, it is time to say our prayers. It is time for our prayers to be said. 27th, it is time to close the shop. It is time for the shop to be closed. 28th, he likes people to call him boss. He likes to be called boss. 29th, I want them to bring flowers. I want flowers to be brought. 30th, the author has written the book carefully. The book has been written carefully. इसमें बाय द ऑथर नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि बुक तो ऑथर के द्वारा ही लिखा जाता है, अंडरस्टूड है। 31st, he should not have slashed the picture with a knife. The picture shouldn't have been slashed with a knife by him. इसमें by him इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, फिर भी आप लिखते हैं तो सही है। I have to see the fact to believe it. The fact has to be seen to be believed. 33rd, all should worship God. God should be worshipped. Thirty-fourth, they sent the newspaper to Patna by air. The newspaper is sent to Patna by air. By air का मतलब वायु मार्ग से. 35th, the factory manufactures 5,000 cars every month. 5,000 cars are manufactured every year. 36th, they built the bridge last year. The bridge was built last year. 37th, the government should do something for us. Something should be done for us by the government. Something should be done for us by the government. By the government. 38th, nobody has answered my questions properly. My questions had not been answered properly. My questions had not been answered properly. Right? 39th, people always praise a brave man. A brave man is always praised. Next, 40th, they were taking the injured to hospital. The injured were being taken to hospital. 41st, the audience loudly cheered the leader's speech. The leader's speech was loudly cheered. 42nd, जो लास्ट है, we export these raw materials to 10 other countries. These raw materials are exported to 10 other countries. दोस्तों 61st एक्सरसाइज हम लोगों ने फिनिश कर लिया है. पूरा शुरू से अंत तक देखें और अपने एक्सरसाइज को जो आपने सॉल्व किया है बुक से इसे मैच कराएं और जो गलतियां होंगी डाउट क्लियरेंस सेशन में आप लोग हमसे पूछेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अगर आप इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर सोनीज ट्यूटोरियल क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर ले, बेल आइकन को हिट कर दें और अपने मोबाइल के सेटिंग्स में जाकर यूट्यूब नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर लें. अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर करें. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक और कमेंट में अपना ओपिनियन बताएं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.